We can now easily manage Windows DHCP server-to-server failover relationships in a very intuitive way with version 10.5 of Micetro. So I'm in the admin tab here. I'll click on Microsoft DHCP because we're talking about Windows DHCP failover. We'll click the meatball menu and then select failover management. Now you see I already have a failover relationship in here, but let's go ahead and create another one. We'll call this MS failover. We can select the failover mode, load balancer, hot standby. The primary server is the one I selected to initiate this, and then we'll select a partner server as well. It's showing me my other Microsoft server. We'll click next. Now here I can really easily just decide how many DHCP requests are going to be handled by each server. If I want to do an 80-20 or if I want to do 50-50, whatever works for your environment. And I can specify client lead time, the switchover interval, and of course, if I need to make sure the data stays private, I can go ahead and enter a shared secret for message authentication, and we'll click next. We'll confirm that this is all correct and click add. Now you'll notice the state isn't here, and that's because we're technically not using it yet. So let's go ahead and save this. And then we'll go to our IPAM tab and click on DHCP scopes. And I just happen to have a DHCP scope which has not been configured for failover yet. So we'll go ahead and add scope to failover and select the MS failover scope or MS failover relationship and click confirm. And now if I go back into my failover management, I can see that the state is now normal. Now, if either of the DHCP services went down, that would also be reflected in the state here. So you can keep an eye on whether your services are up or down. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.